Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rdL27. Let's get started. Write a fraction and decimal for the shaded parts. So number one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total. And we have 4 that are shaded. So for fraction form, it will be 4/8, but we could simplify that by dividing the top and the bottom both by a common factor of 4. So if we divide both sides by 4, that would give us 1/2. And 1/2 is just half. And half means 50% of something. And half is half of 1. So this will be 0.5 as a decimal. Okay. Number 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shaded. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 10 total and 6 shaded. So it'd be 6/10. Okay, so to turn 6/10 into a decimal, to turn any fraction into a decimal, you're going to divide the top by the bottom. So how this is going to work is 6 divided by 10. Because 10 doesn't go into 6, we're going to put a decimal mark here. And we're going to divide 60 by 10. And we get 60 like that. And the answer is 0.6. Decimal form would be 0.6. Number 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 2 that are shaded, 2 out of 5. Same thing, we're going to divide 2 by 5. And we are going to put a decimal there because 5 cannot go into 2 right away. And we get 0.4. So the answer will be 0.4. Or 2/5. Write each decimal as a fraction and every fraction as a decimal. Okay, same thing. We're going to divide the top by the bottom. And we get 0.3. 0.3. Same thing over here. 8 divided by 10. And we get 0.8. 0.8. 4 divided by 10. Put that decimal mark there, add the 0. 10 goes into 44 times. And the answer will be 0.4. Okay, so to turn fraction into decimals, we could just do the reverse. So, because we have 9.9, we're going to turn it into fraction with the numerator of 10. So from 0.9 to go to something over 10, we're going to have to multiply it by 10. So 0.9 multiplied by 10, we get 9. So this will be 9/10. Okay, so we have 0.7. We're going to have it go over 7 again. So we're going to multiply by 10 again, and we get 7. Because multiplying by 10 will just shift that decimal place once to the right. So we get 7/10. So, I mean, if you're doubting this method, one way to check it is turn the fraction back into a decimal. 7/10. And we get 0.7, which was the original number. So we know that this method works. This one will be 0.2 times 10. And we get 2. 2 tenths. Write the missing number. Okay, so we have 3.14 is equal to 3 plus blank plus 0.04. Okay, so if we add 3 and 0.04, we get 3.04. And on the left side, we still have 3.14. We know that we still have to plus it by a blank. Let's call that x. So we're going to subtract both sides by 3.04 to isolate the x. Put that decimal there, that'll be 0. This will be 1, and this will be 0. So that blank will equal to 0.1. Okay, so number 2, you're going to have 6.75 is equal to 6.7 plus blank. We'll call that x. We're going to try to make x by itself. And we get 0.05 is equal to x. Okay, number 3, 4.28 is equal to x plus 0.28. We're going to subtract by 0.28 on both sides. Make sure you line up the decimal and the correct digits. We get 4.00 is equal to x. Number 4, we are just going to get the answer on the left side. So we will get 2.31 is equal to blank. Because if we set it up correctly, we will get 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.01. If we add the correct digits, we will get 2.31. Number 5, 9.02 is equal to this. Let's add 9 and 0.02. We will get 9.02 is equal to 9.02 plus x. What we realize is that 9.02 is both on the same side, so we wouldn't have to add anything, so x will be 0 because we wouldn't add anything to it. This one we'll just add 4 and 0.9, and we'll add 0.09, and we get 4.99. Let's move on to word problems. Mia is making lemonade. She pours 0.35 liters of lemon juice into a pitcher. Then she adds 0.48 liters more. How many liters of lemon juice does she have in total? So she originally put in 0.35 and she put in 0.48 more. If we add 5 and 8, because it's up to 13, and 3 plus 1 plus 4 adds up to 8. Keep the decimal there and we get 0.83 liters. Number 2, Jason is baking cookies. He adds 0.25 cups of sugar and then 0.42 cups of flour. How many total sugar and flour has he added? So we're counting flour and sugar. So we're going to add this together. And we get 0.67. Alex runs 0.67 miles in the morning and 0.29 miles in the afternoon. How many miles does he run in total? Okay, so 0.67 plus 0.29. It's important that you guys set up the decimal in the correct places so we don't add the wrong digits. We get 16, and we get 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we get 0.96. Last question. A fish tank needs to be filled with 1 liter of water. Sarah adds 0.58 liters in the morning and 0.39 liters in the afternoon. Does she fill the tank completely? If not, how much more water does she need? Okay, so this question, we could set it up like the one before. We could do 1 liter is equal to 0.58 plus 0.39 plus a variable x. Okay, let's just add 0.58 and 0.39 first. We get 17, and we get 97. 0.97. So 1 is equal to 0.97 plus x. So 0.97 is how much she added to the tank, and 1 is how much it needs to be filled up. So we're still missing a little bit, so let's subtract 1 and 0.97, and we will get 0.03. So no, that it is not full, and she will need 0.03 more liters to fill it up completely. That is it for today. Thanks for watching.